few days back मैं बड़े आराम से सो रहा था and suddenly I received a message from this guy which said, and then I said, let's do this. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and by the way, the whole Avengers theme you've been listening throughout was totally composed by this guy called Aadyot, and he is an amazing creator. Please do check out his channel. An entirely different version of this video is available on his channel, so please do check out that too. And yeah, that was pretty much it, and like, share, subscribe. Meet you in the next one. Till then, peace out.